Holy shit!
Yeah,
Oh wow!
Alright, hit the sprinters and just keep fighting.
There's a lot of sprinters on
I saw two sprinters coming towards me. I'm like, oh shit.
Fall back. They're coming from the other side, from the north. Fall back.
Why does it have to be a fucking blizzard right now?
Why are there so many? Nah. This.
Common South Shadow tactics.
I wasn't gonna say it.
Chillin'.
Oh my god, there's too many!
Yeah, Shadow, chill out a little bit.
So what is happening? A little much so. What do you think?
I don't know we're here to kill
my
zombies, but I'm fucking 50 sprinters. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Sprinters too.
Bro, what is this?
And at least clear the weather before you spawn 500.
No, don't clear it.
Adds to your immersion. I'm Canadian, by the way.
Just shut the fuck up.
Fucking stealth is here. It's stealth.
Clear the weather, please.
Yeah, anybody got a fucking LMG?
LMG won't save in this situation.
Hold on a bit more.
Why am I seeing a fat clown with the crowbar on our front lines?
Oh, everybody stop. Everybody disappear.
I thought we were about to die.
Flags.
Yeah.
Just cover Cujo and just keep shooting.
More manageable now.
There's a few sprinters.
Few dead ones.
Hold on, I gotta read a book real quick. I need to learn how to aim.
Oh, there's some south.
Behind us.
They're following the fence down, some of them.
I need to rest for a second.
I'm chilling, no injuries so far.
We're good.
Everyone check yourself, you know?
Yeah, the lag was
good.
crazy.
There's still more coming from the building. What is this place?
Yeah, they're pushing in.
I have no idea, dude.
Stiff steel? Better have some fucking chains in it or something.
Why is a predator
It's
in
stealth.
the
It's
server?
stealth. That noise is stealth. Don't worry.
What did you say, Taffy?
The predator from.
It's Predator. From
Oh, they-
Pete.
You're talking about somebody else.
I mean, I could be.
Free shotgun.
Oh, it's so clear inside. No more snow or fog.
Oh, sprinters. Can we see each other's light sources?
No, if it's not equipped in your hand, you can't.
Oh, there's a big group right here.
Oh, they just bit into my upper arm on my poncho. I'm good.
At the door. We're gonna be here for the restart. Should we like hunker down in a room soon?
Yeah, we should just clear the middle room and chill in it. Probably. We have enough people, we'll be fine.
Yeah, I found out the hard way. I fucking upgraded my purple duffel and it changed colors and I couldn't wear it anymore.
It's a big fucking clown just entered the room. I'm starting fearing for my life.
I got
That he's gonna
Saints Row
eat me.
apparel now. I got the purple satchel. I'll keep it.
Nice.
Don't worry, I'm here to protect.
Yeah, I don't want to be in the same room.
It's okay, man. He's only gonna touch you a little.
HR.
I mean, we're in
This
the
whole
HR
place
office,
is
this
man.
lollipop.
This whole thing is an OSHA like fucking
Jesus.
violation.
I'm writing him down. As we go. In that computer right there.
Would you guys
Yeah,
like
we're
a
gonna have
jelly bean
company for
sandwich?
You get some
Jelly
roofie
bean
sandwich for
sandwich.
sure, dude.
If anyone's sad, here's some crosswords and word searches.
Dude, I've never seen a jelly bean sandwich.
10 deep. Yeah, because Cujo counted like 5.
That's fucked up.
No, I just thought some people were in the next room. I just
Is
thought
that
some
a fat
people were in
joke?
the next room.
That's fucked up.
He ate up the other members.
Yeah.
They're
That's
all inside
fucked
with a goose egg.
Dude, he fucking ate Dom. That's why he's not here.
Spit him back out, Cujo.
He's
Who's
broken.
all the way?
Those fucking.
Uh-oh.
Everyone
God.
got
Server restarts in like 2 minutes though.
Oh
fuck, dude, don't go down the
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! I ran through the staircase. Fuck! You said you were stupid, dude. I went straight down that staircase. Only got 1 minute. Last one closes the door. Last one closes the door.
Cujo's last.
He's the biggest, and I'm not surprised.
No, come on.
There's a giant horde at X-23 and Axe is already there, so we gotta head out.
Let's do
Alright.
it.
Yo, I cannot believe my eyes sometimes.
Oh, you're still sick. Damn.
I got like coronavirus, dude. I don't know.
What do we need for you? Are we gonna lose you to that?
No, I'm chilling.
Nah,
Already
he'll be fine. He just has to
Overdosed
suck
on Mallow. Alright.
Rapid will die to the most random shit.
There's a pharmacy over here. We can stop. You don't have to die like this.
You don't have to.
No, it's just
die
a
like
cold.
this.
Just a cold.
It's got mesothelioma over here.
No.
Something I get to fucking name, that's for sure. Cujo, try to make it over the fence. I believe in you.
Did you guys feel the earthquake? That's so fucked up.
That's a legendary.
car dealership.
Car dealership.
Ain't shit here for a dealership.
The shittiest dealership I've
What is
ever
this?
seen.
What is this? The hell?
There's 2 sledgehammers in here.
What? What gas station sells
I got
sledgehammers?
Fuck, dude, I don't know, man.
What is
It's
this
a
fucking
24-hour
city?
service station. It's Trele, man. We got a bunch on our right side too, on the other side of the fence.
Sprinter jumped.
Oh shit. I'm dead.
You're dead?
I'm not dead. No. I'm not dead. I'm so good.
Did you get bit?
Oh, Jesus Christ, wow, my clothes. Dude, a zombie hopped over the fence and tripped me.
Oh, that shit is so fucked.
There's a sprinter on me. Sprinter.
Somebody save him! Cujo, sprinter!
Zombies coming from the south. From the
There's more coming from a hole in the fence.
The DC.
Jesus fucking Christ! Oh, that sprinter almost fucking took my ball sack, dude. Holy shit. Are you using a hoe as a weapon?
Yeah, I'm one shot
You
with
can
it.
use
I'm
anything as a
strong.
weapon.
4 of us have long swords and we're being led by a fat clown with a hoe. It's just-
Hey, all this weight
Alright, come on, guys. We gotta go back to the circle.
puts
the circle.
in good value.
All that running from sprinters made me exhausted. Fuck. Oh, there's a bench.
Sit down for a second.
Alright, don't hog all the space, Cucho.
I need that.
There's 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 sprinters on my ass.